Well, Iman, as Malu was saying, that there's quite a lot of people that are coming here in terms of support. We understand that's still underway. But the people that are also coming here is also family that needs to understand what happened to their family members. And you will know that mostly what sparked the young people to go and burn that church was mainly because they felt that it was not fair for the maternal family based on how the pastor had conducted himself. We know that they marched to the police station, and from the police station, after demanding that there be a release of the uncle and the granny, they then walked to the church, where they started by taking things outside of a marquee, and then after that they burnt it down. We know that the police at this point are still investigating arson, but in the meantime we know that this case will be starting today at Palm Ridge, where we'll see the 5 people that were arrested. But Iman, I want to bring you closer to the family, the maternal family that is, to speak to us about the impact this has had to the family. And I'm going to start with Umama here, and I'm going to ask that you introduce yourself first, but tell us how the family feels.
You know, we feel that the justice system has failed us, and the high color fail like this incident. We've been trying all along. It seems as if Mboro is untouchable. So the justice system is failed from long time ago, before this thing.
If you could just elaborate for us, when you say they failed you, what happened?
The problems because Rona is the family. The mother and the father, they were not fit. So that's why I'm the sister to the grandmother.
And of course the grandmother now is arrested as well as the uncle. Tell me, do you feel this was correct?
That's why the justice system is because now we are the victim. It seems as if Mboro is the victim. So the justice system is big time. The arrest of the grandmother and the uncle, re feel unfair because bona ne ba ya mole ba lo bula case of assault and attempted murder, because the uncle ke ena ho bona di video e viral e ntseng e mathamata, ke ena motho e leng hore Mboro ana mo mister ka Panga. So ke nna ke itse nga tsamaya lo bula case, a fika lo bula case a thola hore Mboro ke the untouchable, police station ya Katlehong ke ya hae.
And I was with the granny on the day when we came to the police station, and she was there also to support, obviously, the uncle, because the arrest had happened inside. We saw the videos of what was happening inside. Were you there? Did you see anything?
Yes, I was there. So Mboro in Elena, and criminality in Elena. What's the problem? Station commander Samoli Gumbi. On a relationship with Mboro, because from 3 o'clock sale ha re fitla mo le o bula case. From 3 o'clock Mboro ha sale a duzile yena station commander ka hara office ya hae, mo ileng hore the victims ileng family ya rona ba ne ba bitswa one by one ba tlo bua their side of the story ka hara office ya yena Gumbi, mo ileng hore Mboro le yena o teng ka mo. So isala adula ka mo le a nako e telele. Mboro re mosile ka mole 6 o'clock ha o qeta hore se re tsamaya o senkile o itukisa gore ke lo etsa some other things. Ke Mboro ke mosila ntsa le ka mole, and by then ausi ka le uncle ba ne se ba tshwere bona se ba kwalletse go Ramkunupi. So yena ona sa handcuff sa etsa next, and then hape malume hore ba qetele ba motshwere. Malume ba re o intimidate le Mboro hona mo police station, and ba re o shapile le police. Ha re tsebe ke police e tlo ba ne re le teng mole ha re a bona nthusi ka ntse ba reng o shapile Mboro.
Mama, you here? The people are watching, and if the police were watching you, what would you like to say to them?
The maponisa had tried a etse ntwe leng re ba ba hiretse yona. If they are there to serve the community, let them serve the community. So bona banana ka they are the law. they are the untouchable. La o botsa some of your rights, o batla o ba botsa, o ba question some of the things. Ba tseba re ke di boss, ba tla o tshwara ka speed ba re hey wa reetsang and then be ba o kwalla. Like o etsa hetse ka yena mshimane o. Ha antho a botsa re ke le tshwara ke entseng ha se le relang ha khafa. Ba re o intimidate le Mboro. O tlisa re ha ona motho a etse ba station commander o utlwa Mboro a mo jwetsa and then o a actor. And then le teng o etsang o tshwara motho e leng hore o lo tshwarisa Mboro hore o ne a mo Mr. ka Panga antsa mo lelekisa and le ngwana Mboro ba shapile ena mshimane o. Yona ha o re next ka yona.
And I know that you guys still want to see the children. Have you seen the children?
Ha re soka re ba bona bana ba teng ha re tsebe le hore ba kae ba o ba nkilweng. In fact bana ba ha ba i2 ke bana ba i3. There's a 3-year-old o ba sena ntaba le yena because yena santsana batla attention. So ba nkile ka nako ene bana ba nentse ba dula le grandmother. So the reason o tsetelo hlahetse ntona tse kana tse ngata tse ke ha ile hore bana ba mme bona o qeta o hlokala hona je ka July a se khale re mo patile ntse go utlile bohloko. So bana ba na treatment because mme bona o bolauwe ke TB le yena. So mme nkgono o la banka a ba isa sepetlele hore bana ba kgone hore ba kgone ho thola treatment wa bona jwale hore ba thole treatment jwale o na tshwere treatment yena ntate wa bana o fitlile a nka bana sekolong ka Thursday during school hours anka bana sia bana le dibuka ba ntse ba ngola mola tsa male bana so re motloetse re nana ka go tlatlisa bana ha tlise bana Friday bana ha ba ya sekolong ene bana ba bana le treatment a tsentse ba ne treatment ba khona una treatment so rona ne re batla mole re lo mo fa treatment re anna ne se bana o hana o ne sa bana Mboro hana nka treatment ene re try le Friday re le family ga tsama le maponisa re ba tsamae ba re khaperise medication ore anke a khona o ne sa bana ore bana ba be right Mboro hanne go tswile the very same Panga sa di tshwereng o tswile a re tshwaretse tsona in front of police o tswile ha qalo etsaje o tswile a tshwere those Pangas wa tseba ke rena ka etsa anything.
Mama, so what are you hoping for today then in court?
Ke lebeletse hore ba ntshe uncle ba ntshe le ausi wa ka because bona ha ba hlahelle mole. They are not the suspect. They've done nothing. Bona ne ba batla fela hore bana ba be right. And le teng ha sa qalo batla bana ba be right. Gale le case re ya le bana ba ntse re le processing ya re tlo banka re kgone ba hlokomela. Ha re mo amoe bana. Re tlisa bana re kgone ho hudisetsa bona ba be right. And then bana ba o tseba o ntate wa bona they'll go to you maybe as ba le right ba le baholo or maybe ba ikgetela ba santsane ba le baholo. Bana ba banyane. And the case ya teng ine ile le di kontong ko di social working ona tswa tlatlatsa di form o ntse ba bitsa ena le ntate wa bana jwale re tsebe go qatile so etsahalang ha Mboro a sa kena a tswa ka dipanga.
Thank you very much. That is the maternal family speaking to us. Iman, I'm going to give you more details. I want to bring in now the ANC Youth League regional convener. And I want to know, Simpiwe, if you could just speak to us. We saw yesterday the young people were very angry, and we're hearing from the family now they just want access to the kids. What is your take on this as the leadership in the region?
Thank you very much. Ngobile, the problem that we have as a society is that there are people who think that they are above the law. The only involvement why we are in this case as the African National Congress Youth League is because of the video that was circulating of Mboro coming inside the school carrying weapons in a school that is full of minors. Therefore, it undermines the law of this country. Hence why we came in. We are not interested in the domestic issues as they are not affecting us. They need to resolve them in a more domestical way or in a civil court or whatever the case may be. But now it pains us, one, if we will see that the very same justice that is supposed to protect each and every citizen now has got eyes. Because I do not think, you saw the video, I saw it, the person who has been arrested has, hence we made even a statement yesterday, who is the uncle. It's clear in the video that he was trying to save the children from being taken, and then the very same pastor Mboro was using his pangas to try and intimidate or even try to hurt the uncle, and then we find out that the uncle has been arrested, to a point that we even marched to the police station. You were there to demand answers as to what is the reason that the uncle and the grandmother have been arrested for, because we have seen all evidence. It's there. It's not a hearsay that Mboro came and did 1, 2, 3 in a school, but why are these two then arrested? Are we then saying the They were not supposed to protect the children against a man who acted as a hooligan and a thug in a school that is full of children. Therefore, it clearly tells us that our system is indeed has indeed got eyes. Hence, why we are here today to say we are going to support the maternal family, that they need to release the uncle, they need to release the grandmother, and deal with these perpetrators.
Thank you very much for speaking to us.
Thank you, Chief, for the indictment. No serious conviction cases pending.
Yes.
For both of them.
All three of them.
All three of
Your
them.
client's rights in terms of the Constitution has been explained to them, 35(1)(e) and F, that they've got the right to apply for bail. What's your instructions, sir?
The instructions are very clear that we are going to proceed the bail application.
The penalty for non-disclosure has been explained to your clients?
In this way.
Thank you.
And I just wanted to clarify one issue.
Yes.
With regards to count number 4 of the rifle. I want to place it on record, Your Worship, that that is not automatic rifle, Your Worship. So therefore, I think we're going to have a problem with the Schedule 5. But those are the things that I want to raise it to the court up front.
So noted, sir.
Yes, the court.
Mr. Dwyer, you wish to address me on that?
Your Worship, as far as it does appear to be an assault rifle, however, this is something that will be cleared up by the magistrate. It will be guided by them, but for now, the state is moving to my study. It is an assault rifle. It is a huge firearm from what the state has seen. Not in a semi-automatic, but in a full automatic assault rifle.
Yes.
Which it is on the basis of that the state is saying that it is statement is not under Schedule 5. If it has information that is likely going to lead to the state changing its stance, the defense can approach the state with that information. But for now, what we know is an assault rifle.
Yes.
They have any evidence to the contrary, then that can be intervened, that can assist us in making a decision whether it is Schedule 5 or not.
Yes.
For now, still is sufficient.
That's good. Well, you can stand up as well, please. Isn't it the law that the court must make a finding in terms of what schedule that specific charge is? And the instructions is, if I understand Shivaji correctly, is that he's not proceeding with a bail application today. Because I'm listening to arguments now that it's not Schedule 5, and I think Shivaji wanted to place it on record.
Your Worship, the state will, in the interim, also try to get more information on what type of a rifle it is.
Yes.
In terms of the act, a semi-automatic or an automatic
Falls under Schedule 5 of...
is Schedule 5.
Yes.
However, because both, well, on the side of
Mr. Dwyer, can I just stop you there? I will listen to this argument when a formal bail application is in front of me. At this particular stage, I'm of the intention to remand this matter, because if I understand Advocate Shivaji correctly on behalf of accused number 1, 2, 3, this is for a remand of the matter, not a formal bail application being interposed or unopposed in this matter. You stated to the court that more of the schedule or the charges that the accused persons are facing falls under Schedule 1 except for the one charge. And that's why you base your argument now on the Schedule 5. But we are not busy with a bail proceeding, sir.
we're not busy with the bail proceedings, Your Worship. That was going to my next submission to the court.
Before I get to that next submission, Advocate Shivaji also indicated that under Section 35, when the court questioned him whether or not he wants to proceed with bail, he said yes, he wants to bring a bail application. Whether or not that bail proceedings will take place today or on another day, And also, as discussed in chambers, I was under the impression that this matter is not for formal bail application, and that that the state will request a remand for bail information.
That was the next submission.
Yes. Is that correct, Advocate Sivazi? Is that correct? Yes. So is your request that I remand this matter, Mr. Dwega, for bail information?
That is correct.
Is that confirmed, sir?
In this sorry, that is not correct.
Yes. Any particular date in mind?
We have to confirm that.
If it's a 7-day remand, I will apply the Criminal Procedures Act, yes.
Your Worship, all what I can say to the court is that we just wanted to ask for an earlier date.
For the bail information.
That's correct.
Will it be possible for the state to obtain such bail information on the 16th of August?
What day is that going to be?
It falls on a Friday. Alternatively, the court's diary looks better on the 19th. Thank you. This matter is then remanded until the 16th day of August for bail information. Accused number 1, 2, and 3 in custody. No bail at this particular stage. Matter remanded 16 August, DC 2, 8:30. Thank you. You excuse Mr. Dwega. Is that your role, Mr. Sivazi? You excuse, sir. Thank you. We can go off record. Thank you.